baby. Hi. Good morning. Oh, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, okay. Well, that wasn't exactly the reaction I was expecting. Good morning. Hi, CP. Say hi, Nana. Hi, Nana. Okay, I guess that's about all we're gonna get right now. Are you gonna smile? Hey, baby. Hey. An itty bitty smile, not a big one, but a little bitty one, huh? I was 1 month old yesterday, and we're going in for our 1 month checkup this afternoon. So far, showing 8.2 pounds, and we'll see what the doctor says. Wish us luck. Hey, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, she's sleepy. I'll talk to you later. Bye.